the storm door guy. Today I'm gonna show you how to take out one-way irreversible screws. As you can see, we've got an irreversible screw here. You know it's irreversible because the way the screw head's designed, it pushes the screwdriver out. You can put them in, but you can't take them out. So we're going to take a pair of ceramic tile nippers, flooring nippers, and what you want to do, get my camera here, is rip right back behind there, squeeze, and undo that screw. Then you're going to take a pair of crescent wrenches, got right down here, latch onto that, and twist. And keep twisting. Keep twisting until the screw comes out. And that is the quickest way to get one-way irreversible screws